How predictable is the NAO? Have you ever wondered how weather patterns in the polar regions are influenced by larger climate systems? One such system is the North Atlantic Oscillation, often referred to as the NAO. The NAO is a climate pattern that involves fluctuations in atmospheric pressure between the Azores High and the subpolar low near Greenland. This pattern plays a significant role in determining weather and climate across the North Atlantic, including the polar regions. When it comes to predictability, the NAO shows varying levels depending on the timescale. In the short term, say from a few days to a couple of weeks, the NAO can be somewhat predictable. However, as we look further out, especially beyond 2 weeks, forecasting becomes more challenging. And like other climate phenomena, like El Niño, the NAO does not lend itself to reliable predictions beyond that short window under normal conditions. On a seasonal or interannual basis, the predictability of the NAO is generally low. The variability of the NAO is largely driven by chaotic internal atmospheric dynamics, which complicates long-term forecasting. Yet, there are external factors that can influence the NAO. For example, stratospheric conditions can play a role, particularly during the summer months. The strength of the polar vortex in the lower stratosphere during late spring can impact the NAO for the summer, creating some opportunities for better forecasts in certain years. Recent studies have indicated that ocean atmosphere feedbacks might allow for some predictability of the NAO on decadal timescales. This area of research is still developing, but it holds promise for improving long-term climate outlooks. For the polar regions, the phases of the NAO significantly affect temperature and precipitation patterns, especially in places like Greenland and the Arctic. A strong positive phase of the NAO can lead to below normal temperatures in Greenland, which in turn affects sea ice and snow cover. This has direct implications for polar climate and ecosystems. Improving the predictability of the NAO would be beneficial for anticipating climate conditions in these sensitive environments. To summarize, short-term predictability is limited to about 1 to 2 weeks with modest skill. Seasonal forecasts are generally low but can improve under certain stratospheric conditions. Interannual to decadal predictability is an emerging area of research, with some potential due to ocean-atmosphere interactions. Understanding the NAO is vital for grasping climate variability in the polar regions and managing its impacts effectively.